Welcome to this episode of Ink It Up with Jessica TV. I'm Jessica Taylor, and in this quick episode I'm going to show you how to make the base for a fun fold card that is super quick and easy. You're going to start with a piece of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock, and you're going to cut it in half the long way. So we're going to cut it at 4 1/4 inches so that we'll have two pieces that are 4 1/4 inches by 11 inches. So you can make two cards out of one sheet of cardstock. Then we'll take one of those, and you can either fold it in half or you can score it at 5 1/2 so that you get a nice fold. And then we'll go ahead and give that a good crease with the bone folder. Once you have your card base, we're going to cut off half of the front by cutting it at 2 3/4 inches. For those of you who still have questions on how this all goes together, I just want to quickly show you how to put your tape on. So I'm first going to put my pattern paper on the front of the card. And then when I put this piece on, I want to make sure that I'm only putting tape on the left-hand side. So just make sure that it's not going all the way to the edge. And sometimes on this piece, I'll put just a little bit right on the edge so that I know it's going to stay down. I'll center that piece, and then I'm ready to go ahead and do some more decorating on my fun fold. I put just a little white insert to write on, so you can't see it when the card is closed. But on the other card, I added a whisper white insert over all of it, and this piece is 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. This type of fun fold card is really easy, so I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for watching, and happy stamping!